In this video, I will show you how to create a complete single product page in Elementor for free. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure WooCommerce and Elementor are installed in WooCommerce and Elementor. Once everything is installed and ready, we can start building the page step by step. Now go to Pages and click Add New. Here, name your page Single Product Page and then click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor where we will design everything from scratch. After that, you will see a blank page layout. Open the page settings and remove any default sections or content so you can start with a completely clean layout. This is important because it gives you full control over how your product page will look and feel. Now we can start building the product page step by step. First, click on the plus icon and add an image widget. Set this image as your product image so it becomes the main visual of your product page. After that, add a heading widget right below it and use it for your product title so it stands out clearly. Next, below the title, add a text editor widget. This will be used for your product description, where you can explain all the details about your product in a clean way. Now for pricing, add another section using either a heading widget or a text widget. Here, simply add your product price manually and make sure it is clear and visible so customers can easily see it. After that, take some time to arrange everything properly on the page. Adjust spacing between elements, align everything neatly, and make sure the typography looks clean and professional so the page feels like a real WooCommerce product layout. You can also enhance the design by adjusting colors, font sizes, and spacing so everything looks balanced and visually appealing. You can also add extra sections like product features, ratings, or related products using simple columns and widgets inside Elementor, depending on how detailed you want your product page to be. Once everything is done, take a preview of your page and carefully check the layout. Make any final adjustments to colors, spacing, or alignment if needed so everything looks perfect. Finally, click Publish, and your custom single product page will be fully ready. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.